Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate, or rather how to link your TikTok account to your Facebook account. And by the way, I just want to let you know guys that I'm using my PC right now. If you want to use your mobile device, for example your phone, your iPhone, your tablet, it's perfectly fine because it's technically the same process, okay? So as you can see here, I'm using Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, if still there, not quite sure though, it's perfectly fine, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is open your TikTok account and of course open your Facebook account. The first thing we want to do here is go to TikTok account and then just rather click on your edit profile, copy your username, and then if you copy the username right there, go back to Facebook, hover your mouse on your account, click your name right there, and then simply click on edit profile. With this one, you'll have your edit your about info right there, and simply go to contacts and basic info. And with that, website and social links are here. Click on add a social link, make it public of course, add a social link right there, put the username, and of course choose TikTok. Easy as that. Simply click on save and you're good to go with this one, okay? That being said, that's how you incorporate or add TikTok on your Facebook account. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.